In this video, I will show you how to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on the same PC. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is download something first of all. So if you open up a new browser and you want to come across to a website which is called wearedevs.net. Now from here, you're going to want to look for the multiple games app, which is this one here, where it says multiple games. So if you click onto more info, that's going to give you a bit of information about this. What's important is to make sure that you have logged out and you've closed any Roblox games you've got running first of all. So once you've done that, go ahead and download this multiple games. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded that, what you can do is open this up. So you can see that's now open. And what you're going to want to do first is come back to Roblox and go ahead and load up any games. So I'm just going to go ahead and load up Bed Wars. So here we are, I've got my first account loaded, which is Bed Wars. So what I'm going to do is minimize this. So once you've done that, what you want to do is come back to Roblox and just go ahead and log out of your account. Make sure you make a note of your password just so you remember what it is to log back in. And then what you can do is go ahead and log into your alternative account. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So you can see now I'm logged into my alternative account. What I'm going to do is load up Bed Wars again. So you can see it's just loading through. And as you can see, we now have multiple instances of the game running. So I've got my account here, and to play any of these, you just want to click onto the one you want to play. I've got them side by side, and if you want to play on this one, I can click onto here, and you'll see that's going to reactivate this window. So you can switch between the two windows, and that is how to go ahead and use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.